Tanzania is one of the blessed countries to have many natural resources like lakes, national parks, and many different kinds of minerals like gold, diamond, tanzanite, oil and gas and other minerals. Geita is one of the regions in Tanzania in which the gold is extracted. Many people at Geita region are just performing mining activities in order to rise up their economy for supporting their lives. Now, gold is one of the major sources in the growth of Tanzania economy. But up to now, Tanzania has got to have many investors in the extraction of gold. But today we are going to learn about the mining activities at one of the village in Geita region. But our concentrate will be at Rajab Seif gold mine located at Nyakagwa village. Rajab Seif gold mine was established 1988, the time in which the alluvial gold was just present on the earth's surface. This mine is the small-scale mine in which the technology used is a simple technology, although there are some machines used. Now, let us look on the mine structure according to the plan created by the owner of the mine to the production. This is the Rajab Seif gold mine management structure. The top head is mine director, followed by sponsor director and executive director. Then mine manager, mine bursar, chief mine inspector. Then their mining engineer and processing engineer. Another one is power source operators. Then mine technicians. Then pits moderators. They mainly supervise on their respective pits from pit number 1 up to pit number 6. Also there are mine watchmen. And the last are other small mine workers. Now, the creation of the shaft as the way through which the materials to or from the pit are passing is done by using timbers for the aim of preventing the downflow of materials and together with as the supports during climbing down or up the shaft. Also during repairing of these timbers, the process is done under careful by the small mine workers with supervision of mine chief inspector. This is how the shaft is created to the ore body in order to access the valuable minerals. Inside the pit there must be a wide area for working to support supplying of air in the pit, as you see the stopes ground. These are mining students inside the shaft looking and learning about the gold belt on how it looks. And also this is the dewatering system on removing water from the bottom of the shaft at the stopes grounds. The hoisting system of the materials to or from the shaft is done with the help of 2 people holding handles and rotating by applying the force. But after removing these materials they have to be parked into the scissor bags for temporary storage. These are the ore materials which contains gold particles. And these are some of the equipments which are used during mining activities like drilling and blasting of the rocks. Such equipments are drill rod, drill bit, a compressor, and a jackhammer engine, and for blasting like explosives and detonators. Now, at this mine transportation of materials to the processing plants is done by using bicycles for nearer plants. But transportation to the far plants is always done by using a car in order to save time. Now listen carefully. The size reduction of the materials at this mine and for all small miners in Tanzania is done by using hammers. And this is usually done by women. But after hammering and drying processes, these materials are fed into the grinding mill, which is the ball mill, for more size reduction in order to get the powder form. Now, after getting the powdered materials, the next step is gravity separation by hydraulic washing to obtain the mud form of materials for amalgamation and panning to capture gold. But the common chemicals used to capture gold at small-scale mines are mercury. After getting the amalgam, which is the small piece of gold, the next step is heating in order to remove some of the mercury from that alloy. And then followed by determination of its weight on the digital balance. Now, after that short lesson, I would like to thank you for your support. Have a good learning in your studies and I wish you all the best. Thanks and goodbye.